Welcome to Graceland. I'm Elvis Presley. All right. Shall we start? Watch your step. A pretty old mansion here. The mansion was built in 1939 by a Dr. Thomas Moore, and he and his wife named it Graceland after his wife's Aunt Grace. So Elvis kept the name when he bought it in 1957 for $100,000, which was a large sum at the time. So as we go inside, please take your time. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll be glad to help you. You'll also notice a lot of video cameras around for the same reason. Elvis added video surveillance all around the property as soon or right before she was born. Now the stained glass that you see above us, the P for Presley, of course, was added 1974 along with the red roses around. We'll be going in very shortly. Was actually what they used when in Las Vegas. Decorated this whole room. This is 450 yards of fabric. His new girlfriend, Linda Thompson, helped decorate this room. And she got the idea from a tent in So we can see the back of the mansion here. On the back, on the right side, now here's the trophy building. When Elvis first moved into Graceland, there were no big wall here. We had a big patio right after this photo was taken. We saw. So Vernon's father was disappointed in him. He did not bail him out of jail, which made mother angry. And no one was to bother them until he got back from the army. Some of her jewelry, many of the family says that Elvis would buy her pearl necklace, say, I don't want it, send it back. Give me some pretty colorful things.